What's up guys, Alan Taylor with the Alan Taylor Real Estate Group here at our newest listing, Beverly Hills Post Office. This beautiful lease that's available for rent. We're in the post office off Benedict Canyon in a gated community of 5 houses. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,600 square feet of living space. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough tour of this house. I hope you come check it out. Let's take a look. All right guys, so the first thing you're gonna notice here is this beautiful kind of Spanish contemporary house with a great front entry. I've got our 2-car parking garage right here. As you can see, there's a balcony over the front door, a beautiful front lawn, nice walkway. There's the gate right over there. So that's Benedict Canyon. You know, you're in a community of 5 houses. It's gated, so extra security, which is nice. Let's take a look at the house. So here's our front entry, as you can see here, with a balcony and this nice metal railing above it. I'm gonna take you guys right inside. You got nice little, beautiful landscaping in front, little garden, trees. As you can see, you're in the hills here, surrounded by trees, so just a beautiful setting. Let's go inside. Right when you enter, the first thing you're gonna notice are these beautiful, clean wood floors. And then in the living room, which is off in the distance there, you can see the high ceilings, which I'll show you in a second. So this nice formal entry here. This way is the kitchen and the laundry. This way is the 3rd bedroom downstairs. There's a bath over there. I'm gonna take you on this tour and show you real quickly. So this 3rd bedroom is currently set up as an office. It has this beautiful built-in in it. The house works both as a 3 bedroom or 2 with an office, and you can potentially modify the built-in and make it, you know, a closet, or if you want to use it as a bedroom. But again, this is really spacious in size. It does have the double door entry here. And then through this door here is the hallway. Well, I'm gonna go the other way, where the bathroom is. So here is the full bath. So I've got a vanity here with a nice square mirror and beautiful light fixtures. Here is the toilet and the bathtub area. So you can see I've got a shower over tub and these beautiful vertical 24 by 12 porcelain tiles with a stone inset. Nice fixtures. So just a super clean bath. And again, this goes right into the office or the bedroom right there. So you've got direct access to this bathroom, and then this also serves as a, doubles as a powder. HVAC there, coat closet there, laundry there, kitchen there. We'll get to that in a minute. Staircase to the upstairs. Okay, so when you walk into this house and come through the entry, you immediately, you see these beautiful high ceilings, lots of glass along the back of the house. You can see pretty much the entire back of the house, and the sides are all windows, which bring the outside in. You can't see any neighbors. You see greenery, you see trees. You see all different kinds of trees that are beautiful. There's clear story windows. It's just a light, bright, and energetic house to be in. And as you can see, it's got a fire pit out there in the distance, which I'll show you. So huge living room. Again, high ceilings, track lighting. It's got a fireplace, as you can see. It's set up for gas. I'll show you how it flows to the outside. So you got these sliding doors. You got this Trex deck right here. Fire pit. There's multiple fire pits on this property. There's one here. There's also one behind the jacuzzi. But this is just a great sitting area. You can hang out, turn the fire pit on, and relax with friends. I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the backyard for right now. So not a huge space, but just enough, and a little bit of greenery there for the pups. Let's see what else is it. Over here, I've got this really great outdoor dining space. So if you're having guests or you want to do some alfresco dining, you've got the spot there. That is the door to the garage right there. Here's the slider to the dining room. And then this is a slider to the kitchen. So if you're in the kitchen, boom, pop out, dining room, boom, pop out, living room, boom, pop out. Great indoor, outdoor flow in this house. Another angle here of this spacious outdoor deck. You can put a much larger table. This table shows seating for 6. You can do 8, 10, 12. You can do 2 tables. I mean, you can really have a big party out here. And then here's a built-in barbecue center, which is great. As you can see, it's got the Viking appliances. Very nice, barbecue, stacked stone, center. You got gray polished concrete on top. Super clean. So this is amazing what the seller did. So these are I'm pretty sure this is porcelain down here, but they created this, you know, relaxing jacuzzi with this floating stairs. So I'm literally walking over the stairs over here to another sitting area with a fire pit. So you can have a couple chairs over here. And as you can see, I've got some uplighting. But yeah, here's the view of the jacuzzi. So this is a huge jacuzzi. You can easily sit, you know, 8 people or more in here. It's got this little infinity edge thing going on, which is super cool. So just peaceful, relaxing. You've got the water feature. You've got the beautiful trees. You got the natural looking wood fence. Just a really nice setting. All right, I'm gonna take you guys back inside so we can finish the tour. All right, so again, you can see the volume in the house. You have the high ceilings going up. That's a landing up there for the second story, so you can look down, which is cool. Beautiful formal dining room here, incredibly spacious. Again, this table's showing only 6. You can easily do 10 or 12. Just check out this, you know, cool architecture here. These beams and the clear story windows. All right, so here we are. We've got an eat-in breakfast area here. So right here, you'd have your table. You've got a bar there, so you can do a couple seats. Beautifully remodeled kitchen. It's got a custom tile backsplash, which is really cool. These are quartz counters. They're really clean and pretty. Shaker style cabinetry. Again, Viking appliances. You've got a Viking oven with a 6-burner grill. Viking dishwasher and a Sub-Zero fridge. Freezer down below. And then a built-in microwave. So high-end appliances, just a really clean working space. Double sink there, Hansgrohe fixture. And then again, here's the view. This is the breakfast bar here, back out to the dining room. Yep, so pantry, which is fantastic. So great pantry. And then this might be more pantry, or just another coat closet. So 2 coat closets. And then here's the laundry room downstairs. So I got a washer, dryer, I've got storage. I think this is a water heater closet. Yes, it is. And then I got more storage over here. I've got uppers for linens. I've got lowers for linens. I've got a clean quartz countertop with subway tile backsplash. Just a great place to fold the clothes. Super functional. All right, up the stairs we go, guys. So I've got 2 bedrooms upstairs. So it's the 2 bedrooms upstairs, 3 down. You could really call this a 2-bedroom house plus an office, but I put it in as a 3 because I just wanted to know that there's a 3rd room that could be used as a sleeping room. Actually, let's go in the primary second. So 1st bedroom upstairs, this is a suite. So it's got its you know, private entrance, quartz counters, shaker style cabinets, 24 by 12 porcelain tiles, frameless glass shower enclosure. Got a really nice kind of horizontal, vertical subway tile, glass subway tile shower with these cool little 4x4 porcelain tiles from the shower floor. And then nice fixtures, again with a custom inset. So beautifully appointed kitchens and baths in this rental. You're gonna definitely love hanging out here. We're still in this bedroom. And then you can see it's also got high ceilings and this cool window thing there for light. So there's the bedroom again. And you've got these double closets. Okay, and then to the primary, and then we're all done. All right, so here's the primary. You got a double door entrance into the primary. It's got its own balcony. That's the one you saw went over the front door. You can see just how spacious this bedroom is. So you can do a big old flat screen TV here, have your bed over there. You can have a couch here and still have plenty of space to walk around. You can throw a couple bean bags there. I mean, you could definitely watch some stuff and hang out here and relax in the primary for sure. And it's got its own luxury bath and an amazing walk-in closet. So here's this kind of separate little space here. You can throw a yoga mat down or a stability ball, you know, get a little bit of stretching in the morning. Again, windows with beautiful view. Here's the primary, or the walk-in closet. It's all built out, which is beautifully done. This is very expensive. It's a very high-end closet. I mean, as you can see, it's got hanging and shoes and place for bags. And I mean, this is over the top. Comes with locks. I mean, this is a very, very high-end and very expensive built-in closet system that you will love. And then here we are back at the bath. So this is a spacious, relaxing and soothing and comfortable bath. Again, these little clear story windows there. You've got the soaking tub over there, dual vanity here, shaker style cabinets, custom hardware, all in good shape. There's your soaking tub. He's got this really cool backsplash there, which is nicely done. Shower here. Also well designed, same flooring as the bathroom upstairs. It's great continuity. Also high-end fixtures with built-in insets, and this one's got a rain shower as well. And then here's your separate little water closet area right there. Thank you for checking out 9908 Lancer Court. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for checking it out. If you wanna see more of our property walkthroughs or listings that are coming up, please hit the subscribe button. Of course, if you wanna come and see this amazing rental in Beverly Hills Post Office, we're $99.50 per month, just under $10,000. It's close to everywhere you wanna be in Beverly Hills. It's close to the valley. It's up in the canyon, so you're away from the city. It's peaceful, it's quiet. Come check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.